The sapphire embrace of the Aegean Sea, Mykonos unveils itself as a holiday haven, adorned with its iconic blue and white houses. The cobbled pathways and historic windmills whisper tales of a rich past, often drawing comparisons to the enchanting Santorini. But what truly sets Mykonos apart? Can the heart of this island hold secrets waiting to be uncovered? As the cruise ship glides into a newly established harbor, a tantalizing 15-minute journey brings you to the vibrant Mykonos town. Embarking on a half-day shore excursion may not have been the wisest choice, as far more economical and time-efficient ferry options await to whisk you into the heart of the town center.
A Meere-Round-Trip costs only 2 Euros.
So, where did the time go, and what hidden gems await those who dare to venture? The scenery unfolds with tranquility, featuring crystalline waters and charming white houses embraced by the landscape. The windmills stand sentinel across the bay, crafting an idyllic backdrop that entices explorers to wander deeper into Mykonos's embrace. But, what mysteries linger within its enchanting streets? A walking tour promises to guide you through all the main attractions in a swift hour, showcasing the town's lively spirit during the bustling tourist season. Each step taken breathes life into the atmosphere, but what stories do the stones beneath your feet hold as you tread the ancient paths? Key landmarks beckon with intrigue, from the Cotton Church to the picturesque Little Venice and the quintessential blue and white homes that define Greece. Each contributes to the town's unique charm, but could it be that their allure hides deeper connections to the island's rich history? Among these treasures, the Agios Nikolaos Church stands out, its beautiful interiors offering a free glimpse into sacred artistry, a must-see for every visitant. But as you stand within its hallowed walls, do you feel the weight of the generations that have gathered here before? Then there is the Church of Paraportiani, a remarkable structure that resembles melting cotton candy, composed of 5 captivating churches. It rises as a notable landmark, but what secrets does it guard within its sacred spaces that have seen centuries pass by? The area near the windmills and Little Venice transforms at dusk, offering breathtaking sunset views that are perfect for capturing magical moments.
This canvas of color paints the sky. What Emotionsflicker trug your hardest turns tonight?
Beyond the picturesque backdrop, the landscape of Mykonos features intricate, maze-like streets, adorned with flourishing flowers. This dreamy atmosphere captivates travelers, but does the beauty mask the island's true essence, waiting to be discovered? It is said that renowned novelist Haruki Murakami found inspiration within these very shores, crafting significant works against the backdrop of Mykonos. Could it be that this island fuels the creative spirit, igniting the imaginations of artists and writers alike? Among the favored photo spots lies the I Love Mykonos staircase and the elusive 3 wells, each steeped in over 3 centuries of history, a magnet for the curious. But what stories do these cherished corners whisper to those who pause to listen? However, the vibrant hustle and bustle of the town's narrow streets can pose challenges for photographers, particularly in tourist-heavy areas. Finding those elusive quieter spots becomes essential. Where can one capture the true spirit of Mykonos amidst the chaos? A journey to Anomera offers refuge from the bustling coastal life, where the renowned monastery of Panagia Turliani stands in serene solitude. With its rich historical and architectural significance, what revelations does this tranquil sanctuary hold for the attentive visitor? The monastery of Panagia Turliani, with its inception in 1542, showcases stunning architecture alongside a small museum filled with religious relics. Its tranquil environment enhances the experience, but does it provide answers to the age-old questions that linger in the hearts of many? Mykonos is not just an island, it's a realm of beautiful beaches and mesmerizing sunsets, a paradise sought after by those yearning for relaxation. The town's vibrant culture pulses with life. Could it be that the essence of Mykonos beckons you to explore further? Local ferries seamlessly connect the cruise terminal to the city center, making exploration a breeze for new adventurers. And with Google Maps at your fingertips, will you find your way through the labyrinth of this enchanting town? This video invites you to delve into the unique allure of cruise travel, showcasing past experiences of indulgent dining and comfortable accommodations aboard. Engaging with the creators on social media only strengthens the bond within the travel community. What stories may await as you venture into the unknown?